It's Wednesday, November 27th, 2024. It's 8:56 a.m. Eastern. It is also Thanksgiving Eve. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and I'll return when the market opens and I see a possible trade. VCIG, second highest gainer, up 83%. Moving up on good news, it was just awarded a $24 million contract of some sort. High of day is 355. I would probably take 70 shares if I were to try this thing. It's kind of trying to go a little sideways here. I'm watching to see if it's going to pull back a little bit and then maybe make another move up. I'd like to see it get very close or break through the high of day of 355. I'll keep an eye out and I'll return. I have an order in and I am in on VCIG. My price is $341 with 70 shares. See if I can get a little bit of this. Profit and loss is showing down here. High of day is 355. I'd like to see it break through that. It's trying to get up there. Let some sellers take some profit here. I'll let this work a little bit and see what it's going to do. Currently the top gainer. Profit takers coming in. It is up 86%. Let this play out for a little bit here. See if it wants to come back up. Turning into a bit of a drum roll. There we go. And I am finally out. Let's see what we ended up with. All right, $9.10. That's a 3.7% gain on that trade. I was in this thing 26 minutes, pretty much turned it into a day trade. I got in at 341, out at 354 with 70 shares. And just to do a quick recap, I got in right here on this candle, and it pretty much immediately rolled over. And I held throughout this, and I got out on this candle right here. And the reason I held was buyers kept coming in intermittently, pretty steady. And as long as I saw buyers interested, I just felt it was going to come back. Took a chance and it worked out. So, a green trade, $9 the day before Thanksgiving. I'll take it. Tomorrow being Thanksgiving, the markets are closed. They'll open up again Friday, but they will close early at 1 p.m. So, thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next video.